Cascade Mountain Views from this 2,793 square foot home on 5 acres. Featuring 4-bed/2 bath all on the main floor. Open living area with hardwood floors throughout main living area, tile kitchen, bath, and laundry room. Large kitchen perfect for entertaining with stainless appliances, gas oven/range, walk-in panty, Alder cabinets, and solid quartz countertops. Open and bright living room with mountain views and wood stove. Slider off dining area to covered deck and backyard with pond and fire pit for our Central Oregon evenings. Large master suite with walk-in tile shower, oversized soaking tub, double vanity and walk-in closets. Door leading out to private deck and hot tub. Plenty of room for toys west/attached oversized garage.